The motor assembly is finished, and now it's time to use the spray like this. I put some insulation tape on these wires. There is no power going to them, but it just looks better that way. Shake well. Are you guys going to be alright? Sheila's a little bit worried. Luca, are you okay? The cats may run away because of the noise of the spray. Yep. Sorry guys. You better go to one of the other rooms. So this spray is going to go in between the fins and clean up any dust or dirt. We're not going to be spraying into the electrical side, avoiding all the electronics. Luca seems to be okay. I'm also cleaning here inside the unit. Okay, the cleaning is all done and it's time to put this air conditioner back together. I've decided to take the grommet off the end cap. A little bit of detergent, not too much. The rubber grommet is in. There's one screw right down the back there. All the screws are in there, that's good. Now the motor assembly has to go in. The fan comes up to here. Okay, there you have it. Now for the screws. Making sure that all the cables are back where they should be. This one can go back in. These ones are left disconnected because we're not using the robot cleaner. Final check. So we've got here black, then white, then red. And they just get pushed in. Right. And this one just covers all the electronics. Where's that screw? Found it. Now we have to okay, it's running smoothly. Okay, now for the cover. The little louvers can go back. Now for the power. Right, let's switch it on and see if it works. Here already it sounds so much better. The bearing noise is gone, so it's a success. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.